I Am Every Woman, written by Raki Narayani Shirke. This poem tells about the multifaceted nature of women. Today's women are empowered, brave, strong, and resolute. So, resolute means determined. So, today's women are empowered and they are very courageous, they are strong and determined. They are always ready to take up new ventures. So, they are ready to take up risks in their life. They are persistent and work tirelessly to prove what they are capable of. So they are persistent means they are determined to work tirelessly, to work continuously to prove what they are capable of. Women have to be treated respectfully for the growth of a nation. If a nation wants to grow, women in that nation should be treated respectfully. And now we shall get into the poem. A woman is beauty innate. So, innate means by birth. So, a woman is beautiful by birth. So, she doesn't need any cosmetics to beautify her. She is a symbol of power and strength. She puts her life at stake. She is real, she is not fake. So, she is ready to put her life at risk. Stake means risk. She is real, she is not fake. The summer of life she is ready to see in spring. She says, "Spring will come again, my dear. Let me care for the ones who are near." She is the woman, she has no fear. Here, in the first line of the second stanza, poet has mentioned summer and spring. And summer refers unhappy situation and spring refers to the happiest moments. So, women are ready to accept unhappy things even in their happiest moments. So, the summer of life she is ready to see in spring. She says, "Spring will come again, my dear." So, here from this we could understand women are not going behind their own happiness. They are selfless and they won't bother about their happiness. So, they used to say like the spring will come again. So, happiness will come again and they are not going to bother about the happiness. Let me care for the ones who are near. So they used to bother about the happiness of the people who are near them or people who are around them. And she is the woman and she has no fear. Strong is she in her faith and beliefs. Persistence is the key to everything, says she. Despite the sighs and groans and moans, she is strong in her faith, firm in her belief. So, strong is she in her faith and beliefs. Women used to be very strong in their faith and beliefs. So, they'll be very strong in their belief. So, persistence is the key to everything. Persistence means determination. Women will be determined about everything. So, they'll be having a firm determination. They'll be very strong in their determination. Despite the sighs and groans and moans. So, despite the sighs means it is nothing but expressing grief. So, they may be having many sorrowful things inside their heart. They'll be mourning for something, but they'll be very strong in their faith and they'll be firm in their belief. She is a lioness, don't mess with her. She'll not spare you if you are a prankster. Don't ever try to saw her pride, her self-respect. She knows how to thaw you, saw you, so beware. And this last stanza is like a warning. She is a lioness, don't mess with her. So here poet compares women to lioness. So she is a lioness and you should never play with her emotions. She will not spare you if you are a prankster. Prankster means mischievous. So if you misbehave, she will never spare you. So she will never forgive you. Don't ever try to saw her pride, her self respect. So you should never try to cut her pride or her self respect. So you should not cut her pride or self respect. She knows how to thaw you, saw you, so beware. Thaw means melting something with a high temperature. So she knows how to melt you with her anger, or she knows how to cut you. So you have to be aware. She is today's woman, dear. Love her, respect her, keep her near. So here poet mentions that today's women are superior than the earlier one because they are very introvert and they doesn't express their feelings, but now women are very expressive and they know what they are doing. So we have to love them and respect them. We have to keep them near us.